Hello foodies, my name is Ritika and I'm your Bakasur mama. I saw the response for my zucchini fries and I know you guys loved it, and that is why I came up with another healthy Bakasur recipe, and this one is cucumber noodles. Yes, I'm serious, you can make noodles from cucumber. I know this sounds confusing, but don't worry, let's get to the recipe. I'll tell you more.
The cucumber noodles we are making today are Hakka noodle style, inspired by the desi Chinese we cook at home. I am going to use European green cucumbers for this dish. These noodles have everything our Chinese dishes taste like except the carbs. These noodles are packed with fiber, potassium, magnesium, vitamin C, K, folate, and the list never ends. To begin with, we will need 4 large cucumbers which are firm. Unfortunately, we cannot use the Indian cucumbers as it has more water content than the European ones. I have washed my cucumbers. I am going to take their heads off. With the help of julienne peeler, I am going to make noodles of these cucumbers. Use your peeler from top to the bottom of the cucumber to get long noodles. We also get vegetable spiralizers. I do not have one, so I chose this method. If you wish to buy one, I will link the same in the description. And if you have one, please use it. Your job will be a lot easier. Once you start to see the seeds and reach the center of the cucumber, stop and change the side. Continue peeling on the rest of the sides till you see the center. I have finished making our noodles from one cucumber, and this is how it looks. We can use the center of the cucumber for salads or just eat it anyway. I have finished making my noodles off camera and I have placed them on my kitchen towel. Our noodles have a lot of water which needs to come off. If we cook them right away, they will get soggy. I am going to wrap them on my kitchen towel and let it soak all the moisture. Press down, covering it, and leave it aside till we prep our other ingredients. Don't worry, we are not losing any nutrients of the cucumber this way. We are just getting rid of the water content. I have kept my noodles aside and I am going to chop my veggies. I am starting with my cabbage. I have 1/4 cabbage which I am cutting in juliennes. Some spring onions. I am going to finely chop them. I am just going to use the white portion of the spring onions and not the green. With the same julienne peeler, I am going to peel my carrot to get thin strands. Every ingredient we use are just like we prep for our Hakka noodles. Next, I will chop capsicum. You can use colored bell peppers as well. I am sticking to just capsicum today. I am also chopping my capsicum in julienne pieces. All the ingredients with their exact measurements are listed in the description box. Do check it out. I am going to mince a few cloves of garlic. We want our ginger, garlic and chili finely chopped or minced. If possible, you can run it into a mixer. I am using my knife, which is comfortable for me. You could just pulse it twice or thrice into a mixer all together and you will get a mince of chili, garlic and ginger. Our noodles and veggies are all chopped and ready, so let's start cooking. Use a wok or a pan on heat. I am using my cold pressed flaxseed oil for this recipe. Flax seeds are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids and reduce cancer cell growth. Cold pressed oils are always beneficial as they do not have trans fat and are cholesterol free. Flaxseed oil has flavors just like mustard seed oil, and this flavor is going to take our noodles to the next level. I am going to add my ginger, garlic, chili and all my vegetables which we have chopped into this oil and give it a nice stir. We are adding all our veggies with the ginger, garlic and chili because we do not want our oil to reach the smoking point. burnt oil is equal to spoiled oil, and that's what we're trying to avoid here. Stir fry the veggies till they have cooked just the way we cook them for Hakka noodles. If you wish to add any protein to your dish, then now it is the time. You can add boiled chicken, paneer, tofu, the world is your oyster. Season your veggies with salt and pepper. I am using hand grinded pink Himalayan salt. I avoid the iodized salt or generally known as table salt. I am going to add thick, dark, sweet soy sauce, 1 tablespoon to this mixture. Give it a stir. Our cucumber noodles have been hiding under our kitchen napkin. They have lost almost all their water. Our napkin is drenched with their sweat. As you can see, they are nice and dry. They have taken exact shape of the noodles which we wanted. It's time for them to jump into our stir fry veggies. I am going to switch my hob on low flame and then going to add all my noodles in. Remember, cucumber is 90% water. If they are overcooked, they will release their water and become a big lump in your pan. Stir in your noodles till they are nicely coated with all the veggies and the sauce. Stir fry them for just 1 minute on the lowest flame of your hob and then serve. Serve your noodles in a bowl with help of your tongs. I am going to spice it up a little with my homemade chili oil. Sprinkle some sesame seeds on top. Sesame seeds are going to give an extra crunch in every bite. Sesame seeds are not just crunchy, they have a ton of health benefits, so do not skip.
So here we are. I can't wait to eat them. And trust me, they are such in low carbs. You won't regret eating noodles this time. A little disclaimer, these are noodles, but not exactly gonna taste like noodles. And not exactly gonna taste like a salad. They are delicious in their own way. If you like such low carb recipes, then write in comments and let me know. Also hit that subscribe button for more videos and some more recipes. See you then. Bye.